Clean your room. How many times have you heard that? Society tells us that a messy desk means a messy mind. We are told that clutter is a sign of laziness, depression, or a lack of discipline. So you feel guilty. You apologize when guests come over. You promise to organize your life tomorrow. But what if society is completely wrong? History's greatest minds, from Albert Einstein to Steve Jobs, worked in absolute chaos. If your room is messy, psychology suggests you aren't lazy, you aren't failing. You might actually be operating on a higher cognitive level. Here is why your brain actually needs the mess. First, let's look at the efficient prioritizer. People with messy rooms often have a subconscious energy-saving mode. Think about it. Your brain has a limited amount of daily battery. If you are focused on big, complex problems, writing, coding, planning a future, or solving an emotional crisis, your brain dedicates all its power to that. In the grand scheme of things, putting a pen back in a drawer is a low-value task. It is a waste of mental bandwidth. A messy room is often a sign that your brain refuses to spend precious energy on trivial things like dusting. You aren't lazy, you are highly selective. You are trading a clean floor for a brilliant mind. Then there is the link to creativity. Psychological studies show that sterile, perfectly organized environments actually encourage conventional thinking. They tell your brain to follow the rules. But you don't want to follow rules. A messy environment is unpredictable. It breaks rigid thought patterns. When your eyes scan the chaos of your room, your brain is forced to make new, unexpected connections between random objects. If your room is chaotic, it's because you don't want a showroom. You need a workshop for your ideas. You need the visual noise to stimulate your imagination. Finally, there is the organized chaos paradox. If someone else tries to clean your room, you feel a sudden panic. Why? Because you know exactly where everything is. Don't touch that pile. I know what is in it. This indicates high spatial intelligence. While other people need labels and linear files to function, you hold a complex, three-dimensional map of your belongings in your head. It looks like a disaster to outsiders, but to you, it is a highly functional, personalized system. You navigate the chaos because you understand it. So stop apologizing for your clutter. If an empty desk signifies an empty mind, then what does a full desk signify? It signifies a mind that is too busy creating, thinking, and living to worry about being neat. Be honest, do you have the chair in your room, the one piled high with clothes? Tell me in the comments below, and subscribe to understand your own genius.